Good morning and welcome to Check It Out with Rich. We are at Gunter Hill COE Campground and we're going to do a quick tour. There's like two main loops and one is full hookups and the other one I think is just electric and water. I'm not going to do too much with the electric and water. We'll do a quick drive-by, but I'll concentrate more on the full hookups. I didn't see, walking Lexi, we didn't see any bad sites. So I'm not going to go particulars each site. We'll just ride by on a bike. I'll show you the site, and there's a couple I really like. So, all right, let's get moving and check it out. Okay, the main road's behind me, and here's your check-in station. Here we go over these speed bumps. And then there's some sites here to the right. I believe that's the campground host. And then we're going to drive out this way to the loop we're on. Okay, coming up on the left is the dump station and dumpsters. Now they scratched out the dump station on the map, so I don't know if it's still operable or not, but there are dumpsters here. And then we're going to make a right here. And there's Becky and Lexi. Let's stop and see what they're up to. What you doing, Beck? Okay, this will be the first section. Number one is on the right over here. And it's weird how they have this numbered. That's the last one, 75. So you got one over here and 75 over here. So this could be a little difficult going around, but I'll put a picture of the map in here and reference sites as we go. Now the dump station is to our right from where we're at now. Okay, number one, as you can see, is a pull through. And like I said, these are all full hookup. Morning. Then here is site 2 and 3. And this one's number 5. And 6. Here's number 8. And 9 and 10. Here's 12 and 13. Morning. And here's 25, 26. I don't know where the other ones went. 27. Now this 28 here is a very nice site. You're right on the edge of the lake, nice and deep. And here's 29. And 30 is a pull through. There's 31. 32 is another nice one. Actually, both these were. And there's 33, another nice one. 34 and 35. And then across from them is a shower house and playground. And then we'll come around, and this is 36, which is another very nice one. That's also one of my favorites. See how far back that goes? And you're right on a lake. And then 37 here is a pull through. Then on the other side of 37, you have 38, which is also a pull through. And then here's 40 and 41. And 39, here's another pull through. You have extra parking, and there is an observation deck down below. Here's 42 and 43. And 44. 45 and 46. And I know I'm repeating myself, but there are no bad sites here in this loop. I'm not sure about the other side, but there's not one bad site here that I've seen. It's a nice one. And that was 47. And 48. So if you got kids, 48 would be real nice. You're right here by the playground, shower house. And then let's go through here and get the right side, which is 49, which is a pull through. And then 50 is another pull through, nice site. And 51, another pull through. And 52, which is also a pull through. And then you come up here, there's a little pavilion, plus some extra parking. Morning. Okay, we're gonna go back in where we started and get the left side. Yeah, the way these loops are here, it's a little difficult for me to film. Okay, so here you have 75. Not a bad site. Somebody leaving. 74. 73. And then this one is a pull through, which that one is 72. There's a back end 71. Yeah, there's really no short ones. You can pretty much get any size rig on any of these sites. There's 69, 68, and then let's go back this one. We'll just do one side then the other. So here we have 67. And then we got a pull through coming up. Morning. And this is 66. 65 back in. And then let's turn around and get the right side. Okay, here's 17. Nice long site. And then 16, there's Alliance, Paradigm. There's actually 2 alliances here. The other one is right down here on site 12. And this one is 15. And here's 14. And there's the other alliance on site 12. Okay, we'll come down here and get the left side here. And this Brinkley is on site 24, 23, and this Brinkley is on 22. And guess what? We got another Brinkley coming up. I think they definitely outnumber the alliances. And then this one is 21. And 20, 19, hey. And there is 18, and that's 17 again. All right, let's turn around. We'll get the other side, then we'll go check out the shower house. Okay, nice long site. This is number 64. 63. There's 62. And there's a beautiful alliance on this 61 site. That must be ours. And the Cougar, that's 60. I was gonna say Cougar, that's a carriage. Here's 59. And then staying on the left here is 58. 57. And we're gonna stay on the left when we go through here, then come back on the right. And then this one is 56. And here's the pull through coming up here. Which is 55. There's another one. 54. And then 53. And then there's a pavilion, and we already got the ones on the right. Okay, I think that's it. If I missed any, I'm sorry. This is kind of confusing with not being able to look at a map while riding this bike. So let's go see if anybody's in the shower house, and we'll check that out real quick. It's not that bad. It needs updated, but they get to them when they can. And then just for reference, this is the shower house, and to the right are sites 1 and 75. Okay, and this is the Katoma Loop, and right now we are down here. And like I said, 1 and 75 is over here. Our site is up here at 61. And then here is the other loop. Maybe we'll ride through there real quick. Down here is your entrance. All right, so let's go and check out the shower house and see what it looks like. Okay, yeah, like I said, it's not bad, just dated. And they do have, see the showers, you have a little changing room. This one doesn't have another shower curtain on it, but the rest of them do. So you got 5, that's pretty good. It's a big campground, it needs it.
What? No.
Okay, one nice surprise is they do have a washer and dryer. There's 2 of each. Little slop sink. Not too bad. How much is it? This one is free. Yeah, laundry is free. How about that? Oh. Okay, yeah, I couldn't believe the washer and dryers were free. It's unusual. One washer was broke, and when I walked in, there was an older gentleman and a younger girl in there, and the girl is actually an Alliance owner, and her name is April. April, is very nice meeting you, and I hope you have safe travels. Okay, so if you're near the Montgomery, Alabama area, this is an excellent campground to stay at. Now, we didn't do the other loop. I ran out of time. But I'm sure it's equally as well. But I did want to concentrate on this loop just because it is full hookup. Okay, so once again, thanks for checking it out. We'll see you all next time. Bye.